Good morning, traders. In front of you, critical key retail charts that trader who is trading small personal account must use at all times. Alpha Fibonacci system identified this as a critical key reversal zone. Market sold off an overnight session. Intelligent trader understands this is key retail support in front of you now. So price will remain stuck in this channel. It's extremely weak profit taking. As again you knew to expect pullback from this level hours and days in advance. So it would be extremely unfortunate for retail trader if buyers step in already. As we discussed with students and market prep, this is not the place to short. This is key retail support. I'm converting this chart to 5. This is the market now on 5-minute chart. Number 1, you know far in advance not to short into this level. Number 2, you understand and respect if price remains stuck at this level. Only extremely aggressive chop is present, nothing else. Conservative trades do not exist. Profit taking is weak. Intelligent trader knows this with a single glimpse. So if you plan to spend a day staring at the charts and pulling out of the market conservative trades, they do not exist at this level. This is chop, ultimate wise case scenario to walk away, not to touch the market. That's it. This will confirm that institutions keep buying the market. We need at least this level. This extremely aggressive. And again, in case you missed the events in the trading room, let me take you back to Sunday 17th. Price moves one step at a time. We knew far in advance that this would be brick wall. Retail level, pullback is weak, market not selling off. We also knew far in advance this level to follow. And after this level is next. On every single time frame on S&P mini future. So this is where market is on Monday 18th. In pain and chop and crawl, profit taking is weak. On Tuesday, next level to follow. So when Goldman making me an effort, this is why. Nothing else identifies price action moves far in advance. Day trading not for everyone. If you are not disciplined, if you cannot trade with ultimate sniper's mentality, use this for long-term investments. Walk away from retail trading and trade long-term charts. Alpha Fibonacci system identified ultimate institutional buy point a year ago that picked up this theme every single time institutional buy point was reached. Catastrophic global events, you are long the market. You are looking at the charts once a week. You recognize bullish rally is vicious and spectacular. You recognize trading here is a bliss. Trading here is a dream. Trading here requires ultimate skill. Software on retail chart running on my left, showing me retail junkie market ahead. Institutional traders in spectacular profits, adding to their longs. Institutional traders having a bliss. Retail trader who is trading Alpha Fibonacci system knows far in advance. Extremely aggressive longs extremely high on every single chart. That's it. And that's the power of the system, traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Retail, aggressive market. Institutional, bullish, blitz. If there is no profit taking, 2024 will require ultimate skill to trade. But again, if you are a self-aware human being, if day trading is not for you, use system long-term as institutional traders do. Bullish rally started in October 2022. If I bring you to the end of September, when inflation is catastrophic, there is no good news, rates are being raised, war in Ukraine becoming worse and worse and worse, institutions buying the bottom. A retail trader who trades alpha Fibonacci system, having time of his and her life, riding institutional power from the bottom. That's it. That's alpha Fibonacci system on critical key institutional chart. Entirely different trading at 3700 level versus where we are today. Very aggressive and dangerous market for retail trader. 1,000 points later, catastrophic events does not mean a thing. For billions and billions of dollars, as money is made on catastrophic news. If you think and trade as Warren Buffett of the world does, you are greedy when others fearful. You're riding institutional power, no matter what time frame, what instrument, what chart you trade. Institutions keep adding to longs. 2024 will require ultimate skill to trade. So as S&P skyrocketing with vengeance despite catastrophic global events, as this chart absolutely showing clearly no institutional profit taking, if this is too much effort to trade, use oil. This is easy. This is institutional bottom, as we identified months and years in advance. Easy to trade when you buy institutional bottom. All present for months and years. Gold in entirely different place. Gold pullback is weak. Apple. Starting place to buy on Apple was a year ago. Right now, Apple in entirely different place. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand how important it is to ride institutional power, no matter what instrument you trade, you understand extremely well. Much more of spectacular bullish rally is next. As long as this identical level, as on S&P, as on Apple, remains intact, no institutional crash. None are present. It is all the same. Whatever instrument, whatever chart you choose to trade is your personal choice. There are traders in the course who have $500 and there are traders in the course who have exponential capital. Every trader decides what instrument, what time frame is appropriate for him and her to trade. But this is picture perfect example. Apple skyrocketed from exact same place as S&P, rallying in front of you on every single chart. That's it. Software is never, ever, ever a requirement. Never. System traded globally since 2011. Software came out for NinjaTrader in 2019. When you trade pure price with rules, on all instruments, all time frames, absolutely no software needed to do this. Only your limitless brain and spectacular effort. That's it. This morning, S&P and Apple are identical price action, while pound stuck at this level to the upside, sitting pretty. Bitcoin doubled in value this year. All the crash, all the rallies identified far in advance. No spectacular volume on Bitcoin. No good news on Bitcoin. Bitcoin doubled in value this year. Nvidia up 500% from alpha Fibonacci buy point. Intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is key level on Nvidia. This level is not broken. Nvidia stock in bearish correction, not selling off. So in 15 minutes we have consumer confidence. Intelligent trader very well prepared for major news, knowing quite well this is key level to the downside, knowing quite well this is brick wall to the upside. This is your trading range well before major news. We would love to see price to crash until at least this level. Bullish rally continues from this level. It's not a good news. It's extremely limited trading range on every single chart, playing out in front of you. Nothing else, only this. Overextended bullish rally stuck in extremely aggressive market. And that's your key preparation for major news. 30 minutes after we identified that everything remains solidly bullish, news came out extremely bullish. And that's the power of the system, all in advance, never after the fact. This remains critical key brick wall to the upside. By institutions, there is no profit taking, none. Institutions remain long, and that requires ultimate skill to trade. So if you're ready to become successful, intelligent trader, I look forward working with you in all market conditions, on all instruments, all time frames. It's absolutely your personal decision what you decide to trade. So if you're ready to trade, as traders do all over the world since 2011, as intelligent strategic trader with proprietary predictive institutional alpha Fibonacci lifetime system, with precise entry, precise stop and targets on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8, with multi-market scanner, group of private mentoring classes, live trading room, video library and modules, currently offering savings up to $8,000. I teach you identical rules I taught to JP Morgan traders. So when you click on students performance and you see how traders trade all over the world, this can be you. Richard retired trading options. He's managing multi-million-dollar positions with alpha Fibonacci system. Theo, trading commodities, forex, futures. Success rate 86%, making on every dollar $8. But when he trades forex, his success goes up to 92%, practicing daily non-stop. So when you view spectacular effort by intelligent trader Brad, This is a crucial, critical key words. Being around you transforms you into super trader. But what's required? Brett's phenomenal effort. So when most people want only indicators because they don't believe in themselves, you've been there. You're moving to the next stage. You're ready to understand price action and alpha Fibonacci levels, even long term. We have students firing their financial advisors, fathers bringing their sons, husbands bringing their wives. Traders all over the world can do it, so can you. All you have to do is identify what instrument, what time frame appropriate for you. So listen to podcasts, few students reviews, few students performance, and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring savings $8,000, group course savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As price reminds you, it's a dangerous crawl. There is nothing else. Institutions remain long, and you knew it well before major news. On every single chart, on every single time frame. No software required. But if you do use software on day trading futures, you know this is your trading range. There is nothing else. Choice is yours, what you choose to trade.